Dear students of Greenland Public School Sibdhara, good morning. You are welcome to the new class. Dear students of class 9th, I would like to guide you in mathematics of NCERT exercise 13.3 now. This is the new chapter about cone. What is cone? Dear students, if there is a right angle triangle, there is a right angle triangle, there is a right angle triangle, and this is 90 degree, and this triangle is rotated along this length or along this base, that is along this perpendicular or along this base, then the figure so formed is called a right circular cone. For example, if we rotate along this, suppose if I write here A, B, C, and again if I rotate like this, then we can say here A, B, C, and this part will come over here like this, so it will be a right circular cone. So we can say, we can define right circular cone. Right circular cone, when a right angle triangle is rotated along its base or perpendicular, then the figure so generated is called a right circular cone. Again you see here, if this right angle triangle is rotated along its perpendicular or along its base, then the figure so generated is called a right angle triangle. Now dear students, we can say over here, we have to write some formula over here. So we can say base area of a right circular cone is equal to pi r square unit. What will be base area of a right circular cone is equal to pi r square square unit. Now we can say circumference of the base of the cone is equal to circumference of the base of the cone is equal to 2 pi r unit. This is circumference of the base, because base is circular, so area of circle is equal to pi r square. So area base of a right circular cone is equal to pi r square, and circumference of the base is equal to circumference of the circle, that is 2 pi r. Now dear students, we have to find out. So this part is perpendicular and this part is base. So we can say here, this is hypotenuse, and this hypotenuse is known as slant height. This is known as slant height. That is denoted by L. And this is known as height, and this is known as radius. From here to here, this is known as radius. So we can say slant height is denoted by L. So L square is equal to h square plus r square. Dear students, we can write here, curved or lateral surface area of the cone is equal to pi r L unit. Here L is slant height. What is here? L is slant height. So we can say L square is equal to r square plus h square, or L is equal to under root h square plus r square. Dear students, we can find out total surface area of the cone is equal to base area plus curved surface area. Base area is equal to pi r square, curved surface area is equal to pi r L, and out of these two, if you take pi r common, then pi r into r plus L square unit. Dear students, volume of the cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h cubic unit. 1 by 3 pi r square h cubic unit. Now I would like to guide you a few questions, so you will keep these all formula in your mind. That is base area, circumference, base area pi r square, circumference of base 2 pi r, curved surface area pi r L, where L is equal to under root h square plus r square. Total surface area is equal to pi r into r plus L. Now you see exercise 13.3. Dear students, question is given diameter of the base of a cone is 10.5 centimeter and its slant height is 10 centimeter. Slant height is 10 centimeter and radius of the base is given. Diameter of the base is given 10.5. We have to find out curved surface area. Distance radius is equal to 10.5 upon 2 because diameter is 10.5, so radius is 5.25 centimeter. Now slant height is equal to 10 centimeter. By mistake I wrote over here at height, so again listen to me. This is slant height is given. Slant height is equal to 10 centimeter. So slant height is given, radius is given. Therefore curved surface area is equal to pi RL is equal to pi into R into L. That is, after calculation we have got 165 centimeter square. So curved surface area of this cone is equal to 165 centimeter square. Now another question number 2 of this very exercise, that is of exercise 13.3. Find the total surface area of a cone if its slant height is 21 meter. Slant height is 21 meter and diameter of its base is 24 meter. Diameter of its base is 24 meter. Dear students, slant height is given 21 meter. Radius is equal to 24 upon 2, that is 12 meter. So we can say here total surface area of a cone is equal to pi r into r plus l. So we can say here pi r into r plus l is equal to 22 upon 7 into 12 into 33. After calculation we have got 1244.57 meter squared. So by this way we can solve many questions of this exercise. So you will try to do the next questions of this very exercise. Again I would like to remind you that those all formula you have to keep in mind all the time, so that it will be easier, and you have to pay attention in the question what is given, slant height or radius or diameter or height, and according to that you have to solve the next questions. Thank you.